Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common financial question. How can you pay off your Visa card using another credit card? This can be a lifesaver if you're juggling multiple cards and trying to manage your debt, but it's not as straightforward as it sounds. Let's break it down step by step so you can make an informed decision. First off, you can't directly pay one credit card bill with another. That would be too easy. Most credit card companies don't allow it to prevent endless debt cycles. Instead, the most common method is a balance transfer. Here's how it works. Start by checking if your Visa card issuer offers balance transfers. If they do, apply for a balance transfer from your other credit card. You'll typically need to fill out an online form or call customer service, providing the account details of the card you're transferring from. Many cards offer a promotional 0% APR for a limited time, which can save you on interest if you pay it off quickly. If a balance transfer isn't an option, consider a cash advance from your second credit card. This lets you withdraw cash to pay your Visa bill, but beware, cash advances often come with high fees, usually 3 to 5% of the amount, and they start accruing interest immediately at a higher rate than regular purchases. Always read the fine print. Another route is using third-party services like Plastic or PayPal, which allow you to pay bills with a credit card even if it's not directly accepted. For example, you could use Plastic to charge your Visa payment to another card, though they'll charge a small fee for the service. Before you proceed, think about the potential downsides. This strategy can rack up fees, hurt your credit utilization ratio if not managed well, and lead to more debt if you're not careful. It's crucial to have a repayment plan in place. In conclusion, while paying a Visa card with another credit card is possible through balance transfers, cash advances, or third-party apps, it's not always the best idea. If you're struggling with debt, consider talking to a financial advisor or exploring consolidation options instead. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more money-saving tips. What's your go-to debt management strategy? Let me know in the comments below.